Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in today's video clip, I'll show you and tell you how you can invite contributors to Instagram after you post Reels. Please subscribe to our channel. Also be sure to put your likes, write your comments, and let us get started with you. So, after you're on Instagram, go to your page. Here you can find Reels that you used to post under your profile header. The second icon, this will be your Reels. As you can see, I only have one so far. And in order to edit it, you have to click on it. Then at the bottom, you find three dots, and then you select Manage. And then you select Edit. And what can you do here? You can add some writing, let's say. You can also mark people, and you can add a location. But, unfortunately, you can't invite a co-author after publishing Reel. For this, you will have to delete this Reels and post it again. Before you do that, just don't forget to invite a co-author to publish. But if it is not very important for you, and you just need a person to be marked there, then you can choose to mark a person. Then you click on the plus, and here you choose the person you want to mark, either from the list of people you have, or just thanks to the search box, you enter the name of the person. And then you select them, and then you click Done, and then you click Done again. Now on your Reels, you will see this mark of the person. If you click on it, you will see the mark of the person on your Reels. I hope this video helped you, was useful, and you saw how you can invite people after publishing Reels. Please subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes, write comments, and see you soon.